Hi everyone, so I'm going to make one more quick elapsed time video showing the two different ways to solve elapsed time word problems. So the first way we're going to work with is using a number line, and the second way that we're going to work with is using a T-chart. So let's go ahead and start with number one, and this is going to be on a page that you're completing as well, so you can work it out with me. So it says, Joanna began her homework at 4:45. She finished 25 minutes later. When did she finish? So first off, I'm going to circle the important information. I know that her start time is 4:45 because it said the word began. I also know that it took her 25 minutes to finish. So on my number line, I'm going to start off with the start time, which was 4:45, and then I'm going to break the number 25 into chunks that are easier to add on. So I've chunked it into 10 minutes plus 10 minutes plus 5 minutes to give me the full 25 minutes. So let's start with 4:45, and then we're going to skip 10 more minutes in advance. That's going to make it 4:55. Then 10 more minutes would make it 5:05. And then 5 minutes added onto that would make it 5:10. So that means she finished her homework by 5:10. And that would be the end time on my number line. All right, so the next thing we're going to look at is using a T-chart to help us out. And once again, I'm going to be using the worksheet that you guys are going to work through. So I'm going to do 1 and 2 with you to make it a little easier. All right, let's read it first and we'll break it down. If the presentation ended at 6:15 p.m. and it took 45 minutes, what time did the presentation start? So first thing I know is my end time this time. So we're actually going to be working backwards. Instead of adding on 45 minutes, we're actually going to do the opposite and subtract 45 minutes to find the original start time. All right, so let's go ahead and look at the T-chart that I've set up. All right, we have on one side of my T-chart the end time, which was 6:15 p.m. Then we have the time intervals that I'm taking away. If you've noticed, I've not taken away the 45 minutes all at once. I'm actually going to break it down into easier chunks. So I'm going to do 10 minutes first, and then I'll work my way down to the 5 minutes last. Okay? All right, so if it's 6:15 and I take away 10 minutes, it is now 6:05. Then I take away another 10 minutes, then it is 5:55. If I take away another 10 minutes, that is 5:45. And if I take away another 10 minutes, it is 5:35. So let's go ahead and add those up and make sure we're still within our time limit. 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 10 makes 30, plus 10 makes 40. And then I have to take away 5 more to make 45 minutes. So if I took away 5 from 5:35, it would give me 5:30. Okay, so my answer to question number 1 would be the start time was 5:30 p.m. All right, question number 2, I'll read it and then we'll work it out. It says the play ended at 8:50 p.m. It was an hour and 20 minutes long. What time did the play start? Once again, it gives us the ending time, which means I'm going to be working backwards. Instead of adding on an hour and 20 minutes, I'm going to be taking away an hour and 20 minutes. Okay, so let's see how I got my answer. So we're going to take a look at this T-chart. Once again, I've set it up with the end time starting me off at 8:50. And then over on the other side of my T-chart, I'm going to have the time intervals that I'm taking away. I know I have to take away 1 hour and 20 minutes, so we'll go ahead and take away the largest unit first, which is 1 hour. So if I start at 8:50 and I take away 1 hour, then the new time is going to be 7:50. Now I'm going to take away what's left, which is the 20 minutes. So if I took away 20 minutes from my 7:50, it would give me 7:30, because 50, take away your 20 minutes, leaves you with 30 minutes. So 7:30 would be the start time to the play. So that's my answer to question number 2. So I hope this helps, and I can't wait to see your all's work. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.